As someone who coached fighters for many years, I wish I had these skills and this knowledge when I was coaching professional fighters, because I could have made their shoulders a lot healthier, meaning that the injury rates would have dropped and they'd have been able to be more consistent with their training. And the reality is, when we exercise, that is what our real purpose is about. It's about health. It's about allowing us to be better than we currently were. I get it that size has got a place in the fitness industry and everyone wants to look like Arnie. But if you're a fighter or you're a functional athlete, golfer, footballer, whatever it is, the most important thing you can be is not injured. And this is where this bit of equipment comes into play, and it's perfect. So like I said, if you've got a light macebell, you're a big lad, you've already mastered the 4 kg or 6 kg, you can still do a lot of things with this bell. Just go to one arm. First one is very simple. Single arm, 160s. It's the exact same as the 360 two-handed, only you're switching one hand. And then you change hands, and you simply swap. It's going to give you a lot more freedom in movement as well, because the independent movement of the shoulders allows for a slight more compensation in limitations of movement. If you've got tight shoulders, you can also change direction pretty easily, like in the 10 to 2s, and just go the other way very easily. You can do these things called bull whips, where you cast it out, throw, rotate, and with this one, this is very like an Indian club. So what we'll do is, you imagine you're whipping like the bull whips, hence the name. You're going to throw it behind you, let it fall, let the weight pull your shoulder into position. As it's pulling, you're going to rotate the foot. This is very like throwing a punch or throwing a ball. The same sort of biomechanics are required. And obviously, the longer the handle, the more time I've got to react, and the more stress on the shoulders to get a harder workout. And if I shorten the handle, it moves a lot faster. One other thing, as the bullwhip, you can limit it, and you can use it like an Indian club, and just minimize the rotation from the core and bring it more focused into shoulders. And I can stand square on. You'll notice the timing. As the bell comes up, I actually like to use it as a training technique. The forearm touches the handle of the bell, and it comes up. You see where it's still touching? When that starts to lose contact, I will follow the bell. That's my timing point. I know when I feel the loss of contact that I'm going to have to start turning, or I'm going to have to start moving my shoulder. And again, I can do this. I can do the other way. And that's more like fly fishing. You're casting, rotating, or you're bringing it across your body, behind the back, across the body, behind the back, across the body. The key thing to remember is the macebell leads, you follow. Feel the energy, feel the time and rhythm, and go with it. Don't try to outmuscle it. Give it a go.